We know that at least one plane has gone out this morning. One of my colleagues, in fact, was on that plane heading out to this new search area, which is about 1,850 kilometres west of Perth. Also, the 6 ships are heading towards the area, including the HMAS Success. Now, they're not expected to reach the area until tonight, so it's still a very difficult search. Also, rain is forecast in Perth today, so that could be another issue that could hamper the search and recovery efforts. We've seen earlier in the week that the search had to be called off for at least one day because of the sometimes treacherous conditions out there in the Indian Ocean. That US technology, the ping locator, will be attached to an Australian Defence Force naval vessel. So once that happens, then the naval vessel will go out to the search area. But again, that will take some time because it is nearly 2,000 kilometres west of Perth, and as I said, it's extremely deep. We're talking 2,000 to 4,000 metres, the depth of the sea at that point. So that offers, though, probably the best hope of finding the plane. The problem is, though, it needs to be found. The beacon from the black box the battery will only last for about another week, so it needs to be found pretty quickly if the search isn't going to take a very, very long time, as happened with the Air France plane. 8 aircraft are going to leave from this RAAF base here on the outskirts of Perth. Now, already 4 aircraft have left, so they're going out to the search area. So that's about 1,800 kilometres west of Perth. They're going to see if they can identify or locate any of the objects that we've heard about that could possibly be debris from the missing Malaysia Airlines. Now, also, a Chinese patrol boat is in the search area. It's also trying to locate these objects to see if they are debris from the missing plane. HMAS Toowoomba has arrived at the Stirling Naval Base, so that's south of Perth. What it's doing, it's refuelling, it's stocking up on supplies. So once all that's happened, then it's going to go out to the search area to assist in the search and recovery operation. Now, also news that's just come in, the US ping locator, so that's the technology that's used to try and find where the black box flight recorder is. That's been loaded onto an Australian naval vessel, so that vessel will also join the search. Now, the attempts to find the black box, really authorities have only got about a week before the power runs out and it stops emitting a beacon that enables it to be located. So time really is of the essence here. Today is very cloudy in Perth. The Weather Bureau says it expects showers. Now, what the Australian Maritime Safety Authority, which is involved in the search and recovery operation, they've said that the conditions today are suitable for the search, for the operation, but it's warning that conditions could worsen later in the day. So if that happens, it could mean that the planes, the remaining 4 planes, don't leave.